Hi viewers, welcome to mycpatraining.com. VaiShipon here. In this tutorial I will show you how you can do homepage design with Elementor for multi-vendor website, for dropshipping website or any kinds of e-commerce website. Let's start. Now we will see how can we design with homepage with Elementor. First time make a homepage and give name home, but for tutorial purpose I have given name VaiShipon, VaiShipon. This is my YouTube channel name. Make a page with home name and publish. We will edit with Elementor. That's why we have to click here, edit with Elementor. You can use every element from here. Suppose I am showing you one. Suppose I am taking this element image, and if I click here, this image control panel will open here. Suppose I need an image, I am clicking here. Suppose this one, open, and from here you can give size, medium size, a lot of size here. Suppose I am giving medium. Alignment, you can choose alignment from here. Caption, you can choose caption. I am choosing none. Link, you can set a link here. A media file, custom URL. And if you go to style, for every element you can give a lot of style. Suppose width, maximum width, opacity, you can choose opacity, opacity for normal, for hover, you can do hover settings, you can do normal settings. Okay, this was just I wanted to show you. Now we will design our home page, and if you click here you will get all elements here. Suppose first time we need a slider, we will design a slider. And design with Elementor, you have to do one thing. For any design you have to start with section. I am taking a section from here, inner section, click and drag and set here. We take a section with 2 columns, but we need 1 column, that's why I am deleting 1 column. Now here is 1 column, and we need a heading. Suppose I am taking a heading here. We will follow this site, suppose amardaillyshop.com. okay, here is fashion style, fashion style, STYLE. okay, size, we can give here size. Suppose I am taking this size. HTML tag, we can choose HTML tag, and I am doing alignment, suppose right side, and color. Now if we go to style, we can do a lot of styles. Suppose I want to give here a color. Suppose I want to give this color here, and I can make it transparent. Suppose I need this color. okay, typography, we can change from here typography. But for your website, first time you have to choose your typography for your whole website, and for this you have to go to these 3 button and default fonts. We can choose default fonts for our website. Suppose if I click here, primary heading, here is Poppins selected, good. Secondary headline, same, I am taking Poppins. okay, we can choose weight, body text, Roboto is good, and apply. And if we click here, here is all element, and I am clicking here. Here is the controlling option, style, text shadow, we can give here text shadow. Suppose I want to give a little shadow here with red color. You can control your design with this button, transparent option. We take here fashion style, and here is daily shopping. We need another heading option. I am taking another heading, click and drag. Suppose I am writing here daily shopping, and we have to customize this text size XXL, and I am taking here H1, and alignment, this content alignment, I think this one is good, fashion style daily shopping. Now if I click here, I have to change this color, style. Suppose we need this color, and for this we can use this small software Pixie. If I point my mouse here, the color is selected, Control Alt C, press Control Alt C from your keyboard. Color code copied. Now if I paste here and done. Typography, we can change typography. Text shadow, we can give a text shadow here, suppose like this way, and I think this shadow is not suitable here. I am changing this shadow from style, text shadow, default, and done. And you have to do update. Now suppose we need a call to action button here, and for this, for element, button element, I am clicking here, and here is the button element. If I click here and drag it to my design area, and here is the button. Now I can customize this button. Text, I can change text from here, suppose see more. We can set here a link. Suppose I want to give here shop page link. If I write here, or we can change it with shop, and if I write here shop, here is shop page, and shop page linked with this button. We can give icon here, size, we can choose size from here, suppose large, and alignment, suppose center alignment, and we can use icon from here. Suppose I am giving a icon here, shopping, SHOP, suppose this icon, insert. Now we can customize our icon. Suppose icon position, before, after, I am taking it before. Icon spacing, we can choose icon spacing. And now if I go to style, we can give here a lot of style. Text color, I think text color white is good. Background color, we can change background color. This is normal settings area, this is hover settings area. Suppose background color, I am giving, I can change any color, but this one is okay. Suppose I want to change hover color. Text color, I am changing it, text color, suppose red. Now if I hover on the button, the text color is hidden with hover color. I am changing it text color. I am changing background color on hover. Suppose background color is this one. Now if I hover on the button, good. Hover animation, we can choose hover animation. Suppose shrink, this is another animation, and this is another animation, and this is another animation format. A lot of format you can choose from here. Wow, there is lot of format you can choose from here. Button radius, you can choose button radius, suppose 10 pixel, suppose 25 pixel. You can choose button radius. Padding, you can give padding from here. This is hover, and you can do a lot of settings from here. Now we will add a background for this section, and for select this section, just you have to click here edit section, and you will get here control panel of this section. First time we have to increase our section height, suppose fit to screen, or minimum height. This is minimum height. Okay, first time we will set our background. If we go to style, this is normal section and this is hover section. Suppose we will set an image here. There is 4 background type: classic, video, slideshow. Suppose we will make a just one slider, that's why I am taking here classic, and from image I am taking a image here. Even we can set color from here like this way. Suppose we will set a background image. I am taking a background image from here, which I already uploaded to my site. Suppose I am taking this one. Okay, color clear, and now here is our image. We can change font for show clearly. Suppose if I click here style, I am changing the color, suppose red, text shadow clear, and I will change this color, suppose style red. Okay, now if we go to section editing, position, top left, top corner, top right. There are a lot of position, you can choose as per your need, top center or top left. I think this one is okay. Repeat, no repeat, but size is not good, image size is not good. Let me change the image. Suppose I think this one, I think this one is okay. Size, auto, cover, default, scrolling effect, you can make it enable, and you can do hover settings from here. If we go to layout, we can change position of this area, vertical align, scratch section, we have to select this one. Okay, we want to give some shadow effect here, text shadow. Suppose I think it's okay, and we want to give some shadow effect here. I am selecting this one. Color, I have changed the color, and shadow effect, blend mode, we can choose blend mode, and I think now perfect. If we click here, and now our image is focusing, but we want to show text or button area will focus. That's why we have to give some overlay here. Suppose if we go to a background overlay, and there is also normal section and hover section. Here we can use classic and gradient. Suppose I am taking gradient, and first color I am choosing this one, and the second one this color, and we can modify the color with the location. Second color, we can change second color like this way. Suppose if I change this color, okay, and in this way you can play with your slider images and update. Now we have to work on responsive mode. This is responsive mode, and we are working on desktop mode. If I click here, this is mobile mode, and I think it's okay, but we have to change this color for mobile mode. If I click here and I am changing the color, suppose white, or I think this one is okay, and text shadow, default, we have to change this color, and color suppose white, and done. And I think now it's okay. Update, obviously you have to update the settings, and if I click here, tablet, for tablet I think this one is okay, and for desktop okay. And in this way you have to modify your design for all devices. Now we need this section, new arrivals, where we will show our new products. For this procedure, first time you need a heading, but here we will use text editor. I will show you why I am taking text editor. Okay, and now new arrivals, this is our text, new arrivals, and now we have to do some modification. Style, color, suppose I am taking this color, alignment, center, typography, default typography, and size, we need a size here. Weight, we can choose weight from here, and transformation, suppose uppercase. Style, we can choose style. Decoration, okay. We will show new arrivals products here, and you know, if I go here, we take here text editor, because we will make two colors. Suppose if I click here, and I need one color for this word, and I need one color for this word. That's why I take text editor. I am clicking here. Suppose if I select this word, and from here I can change with another color, suppose this one. Okay, suppose I want to set here a divider, and for this procedure I have to go to here, and here is the divider. Just click and drag where you want to set it, and width, you can select a width. Okay, I think this one is okay. Alignment, you can choose alignment. Line style, you can choose a lot of line style from here. Suppose I am taking solid, and if I go to style, I can change colors. Suppose this one, weight, we can select weight. Okay, I think this one is okay. And gap, we can decrease gap or we can increase gap. Now we have to show this new arrival products. That's why if I click here, and here is a code option, short code option. If I write here short code, and here is the short code, we need this element. I am selecting this one and clicking and drag. I want to set here. Okay, and this is the short code. Now you have to write a code here for a new arrivals product, and for this you have to write on Google Ecommerce shortcodes. This is the main site, docs.ecommerce.com. You have to open this link, and here you will get all shortcodes for Ecommerce. Suppose we need new arrival. If I press Ctrl F and if I write new, okay, we got it, a newest products, and this is the code. Just you have to copy this code and you have to paste here. Done. A new arrival products are here because we have posted a lots of product on our site, and we can modify these settings. Suppose here is showing 4 column. If I write here 6 column, now here is showing 6 column and limit 4. That's why here is showing 4 product. If I do limit 8, here is showing 8 products. If I do 12, now I think it's okay. Apply and update. Suppose now you want to show here featured products. First time we need a section like this one. We can copy this section, copy, and we can paste here. Paste. Suppose we will show this section, featured products. Featured products. Featured products. Done. And we have to update this section because here is showing new arrivals products, but here we have to show featured products. Okay, if you select any product, you will get code option, and here we have to change the code for featured code. If I write here featured, FEA, featured products, and here is the code. We have to copy this code and we have to change this code. Now here is showing a featured product, but first time when you will paste the code, here will not show any featured products. You have to make your products featured. Suppose like this way, you have to go to products, and from your products, which product you want to show as a featured product. For that product you have to select this star icon. I have already done for some products. I am showing you. See, like this way, you have to enable this star icon. For which product you will enable this star icon, that product will show as a featured product, like this way. See, okay, here is showing 2 row 2 column. Suppose we need 4 column. We need 4 column and limit suppose 8. Done. Now you have to do some padding settings. Suppose I need some padding here. If I click here advanced, and here is padding section. If I write here 10 pixel, it will increase padding for all sides, but we need decrease just this padding, top padding, and for this we have to delink this option. Just click once, and we want to decrease this area, top area. Suppose we will decrease margin. Suppose, see, I am decreasing margin. Okay, now we need to decrease this area, advance and delink, and I am decreasing margin. Done. We have to do work on this area. Suppose I am selecting this divider, advance, and delink, and I am decreasing margin. And for this area, select this area, advanced, delink, and decrease margin, and then apply, update. Now if we see mobile version, okay, looks good. Even we need any change here, we can do from here. Just select any element and change your settings from this controlling area. Okay, in this way you can change for tablet, and you can change for desktop. Okay, we are doing work on desktop area. Apply. Now we will make this section, and for this we need 3 column. Okay, I am taking 3 column. Suppose I need 3 column, that's why I am taking this one. And for this design we need text and button. Okay, I am taking one heading, and I am taking another heading, and I am taking another heading, and I need a button. I am taking a button here. We need a background for this column, that's why we have to click here, edit column, and if we click on edit column, here you will get column editing option. From here we can edit everything: column width, vertical align, horizontal align, widget, space, HTML tags, happy features. And if we go to style, here is normal section, here is hover section. We will design with normal section. Background type, classic, gradient, and slideshow. Suppose I will design with classic. I am clicking here. I need a background image here. Okay, let's take a background image. We can use color like this way, clear image. Suppose I need this image. Okay, here is the image. We have to increase this column height, that's why we will go here, edit column, and we will go to advanced option, and from here we can give some padding. Suppose 50 or 500, delink. Suppose if I give here 200 or 300 pixel, and I think it's okay. Now we have to edit these options. Suppose new collection, copy, new collection. I have to give some styles here, style and color, change the color, change color as per your need, or you can copy these colors. Suppose I am making white. Typography, you can change typography. I need some padding here, delink. Suppose left side, suppose 30. I think this one is okay. And I need decrease margin, delink and decrease. And second text, this one, copy, paste here, advanced, delink, left 30, and styles, color, white, advanced, delink, decrease top margin. Styles, we have to resize this format, typography, and change format, change size. And third one is price, advanced, delink, padding 30, style, color, white, okay. And button, if I select button, advanced, delink, padding 30, and bottom 30, style, contents, suppose text, shop now, and you can give some style here, background color, this one, and we can do modify as per our need. And if I click here, shop now button, content, I can link shop page, shop, shop, and I can link any other page. Now we need 3 column for 3 pages. Just I am showing you how you will do it. I am making a duplicate copy, and I am making another duplicate copy, and now we don't need this column. Delete. I am deleting all. Okay, I am changing the background. Edit, styles, delete. Suppose I am taking this one, and now I am making duplicate column. Done. Here is 3 column. Now we can change the backgrounds. Edit, style, delete. Suppose this one. We have to change the text colors. Just I am showing you. Styles. Suppose this one. Suppose we want to use some overlay effect here. Edit, style, background overlay. Suppose this color, and make it transparent. Okay, and do this for all images. Background overlay, suppose, and make it transparent. Okay, and same for this one. Background overlay, make it transparent, and done. And if we click here, edit section, scratch section, you have to enable it. Content width, you can make it full width for this kind of effect. Update, and in this way you can play with columns. Now you will see how we can make a block section like this one. And for this, first time we need a section. I am taking a section, and there is 2 column. I am deleting 1 column. I am making duplicate copy, duplicate, and I need to drag this to this column. Okay, and I need divider, duplicate. Okay, now I have to drag it. And I have to set here. Done. Now we can rename this one. Suppose latest news, latest news. Okay, suppose we want to show here latest blog post, and for this we need a plugin. If we go to plugins, add new, we have to write here live mesh, add-ons for Elementor, and here is the add-on by live mesh. We have to install this one, and we have to activate it. Now if we update, and if we refresh this page, and for show here blog post, we have to search here post grid, and this is the element post grid. I am clicking and dragging here. There are no posts in our site, that's why here is showing nothing. Suppose let's make a post, add new. Suppose I am making a test post, test. Okay, I am giving here an image, upload from library. Suppose this one. Just I am doing a test post, and here I am giving featured image. I am taking same image and publish. Now if we update it and refresh the page, and here is showing post. And if we want to do some edit, just we have to select this one, and here we will get control panel for this post content. If we don't want to show post content, just we have to deselect this one, and suppose we don't want to show these options, and here is showing my post. If you don't want to show my post, just delete this one, and in this way you can show your blog post here category wise. Now you will make this section, and this is very easy. For this procedure we need 3 columns. Suppose this one, and we need an icon and heading. Okay, let's take an icon. and heading. Now you have to do some modification. Suppose if I click on icon, we can change icon and colors. Suppose we need a globe icon for first one. If I search here globe, suppose this one, and if we get to style, we can change colors for normal section, for hover section. Suppose I want to change color for normal section. Primary color means this color. Size, we can change size, and we can rotate our icon. We can change background color, but we will do this design, that's why we don't need background color. And the text is this one, paste, customer satisfaction. Size, we can change size, HTML tag, suppose large. And style, we can change text color, same color, I am taking same color. And typography, we can change typography, size, weight. Suppose I am taking here 700. Blend mode, we can change blend mode. And now I think it's okay. Now we have to do duplicate this column, 2 column, and done. And we have to delete this blank 2 column. Delete. Now just we have to change the icons and the text. Okay, I am changing, suppose a shopping icon, SHOP, this one, done. And the text is refund and exchange. Okay, I am changing text, done. And the last one is this one. I am changing the icon. I am selecting icon and click here support. To support, if I write here support, suppose I will give this icon, and this is the text. Select text here and paste here, and done. Update. And in this way you can play with icon for your website with Elementor. Now you have to customize header section, and you have to customize footer section, and in this way you can design your home page for multi-vendor website design, or dropshipping website design, or e-commerce website design. I am making a full tutorial for multi-vendor website design. You will get everything on that tutorial. If you like my tutorials, please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. And if you need any kinds of web design support, this is my Skype ID. Please contact with me through Skype. Thank you.